सिर्फ मचा इट्टा
I'm not even telling you what it's Nice one. That's the kind of speed. Fez gol, foi, fez gol, shot, foi!
Makan topo lah itu. Ada nih, kasar ada.
One of the biggest compliments we got for today was this atmosphere felt exactly like we were in Goa. So thank you to all the supporters, all the players for coming today and making it feel so special. So a big round of applause to everyone. To begin the prize distribution, I just want to call Ravi, our president of the Goan Association, to join us to give the trophies. Frankie, join us. Teotonio, if you want to join us as well. I think the matches today were played in a true spirit of like a community. There was a fighting spirit, no doubt, from everyone, and which was good to see that we all still have that spark in us to make sportsmanship to the next level. So well done again to all the players. Do you want to say? Today among us, there's an oldest player that we've noticed. I think he's around 75 years old, 72 years old. So Ricardo, if you want to join us on stage, we just want to present you with a memento. I'm just taking the liberty to call my wife to present to him. Thank you, Ricardo. Thank you for all that you're doing for the community. Thank you. For a winner to emerge, there always has to be a team that loses, right? But I think Sesa today played their hearts out, and although they didn't have enough of patience with us, but nevertheless, if the entire Sesa team can come to receive the runners-up prize, and Frankie, if you don't mind giving the runner-up prize to Sesa. Ravi can do that. Okay, both of you. Eddie, Elvis, team, Salu, everyone. Jacinto. A big round of applause for Sesa.
Salu.
Once again for Sesa, a big round of applause. Finally, the winners. I think Vasco from the start of the tournament was so consistent in all their matches. I think a true fighting spirit, a good inspiration to the entire Goan community. So Vasco, can we please have you all to receive your winner's prize? A big round of applause to Vasco. Good job and congratulations again.
Thank you very much from the bottom of the Goan Association UK. Remember, we will continue to organize such events. It's amazing that we have amongst us a 70-year-old who can still go on to the football pitch and show them what football is all about. And to all your 50 plus, wait till you're 70, because for another 20 years, remember, we will continue to organize such events. You are the true inspiration for the future generations of football. And like Frankie, the wonderful work that he does at the grassroots level, in terms of, he does an amazing job with the kids. A big hand to Frankie for organizing this tournament. To my fellow director, Savio D'Souza, who is the sports director for the Goan Association UK. A big applause to him as well. And to you all, this tournament would have not been without your participation and without your involvement. And I'm sure to see you all next year. Hopefully, if you can spread the word around how wonderful this tournament has been, next year we'll have it on a bigger pitch, more teams and bigger prizes. Thank you very much.